Which one do you hope it is?
I hope it's this pink one. I just think it's a pink one.
Yeah, I think it's a pink one too.
Orange.
Orange? An orange one?
Yeah,
Let's show Mama what it is.
nothing.
Huh?
This box is just
This box just sucks. Don't worry because there is another one.
I think it's this blue one.
Huh? What do you
It's
mean?
a giant.
It's a what?
That's the gate.
It's a what? Oh, can I see which Labubu is that?
Stop forcing me off.
She was really upset, and I felt really bad. So I decided to give her real Labubu.
Gigi and one more game. Gigi.
Another one? Oh, that's cute.
I'm going to hang this Labubu on there. Thank you for the Labubu and the orange. But next time, no pranking.
Why no pranking? Didn't you like the orange? How about the garlic? So do you like your Labubu? Oh, don't like? Then I will take it.
Like, next time put a cherry inside.
Cherry?